Brothers and sisters, today we embark on an essential journey, a journey to mastery, a journey that can build nations and uplift communities. We speak today of mastering the art of coding. Let me share with you the 4 steps that will guide you on this path. Step 1. Master the fundamentals of programming. Just as a house needs a solid foundation, so does your journey in coding. Learn the basic concepts, variables, loops, functions. These are the building blocks, the unshakable ground upon which you will create your future. Like a wise architect, you must begin here, firm and steady. Step 2. Specialize in an area. Once you have laid your foundation, choose a field that calls to your spirit, be it web development, data science, artificial intelligence, or game development. Focus your learning, for a scattered mind cannot build. Specialize, and you shall cultivate depth and expertise that will make you a pillar in your field. Step 3. Practice by building and creating. Now, what is knowledge if not put to action? Take what you know and create with it. Develop apps, build websites, script programs. Let your hands bring forth what your mind has conceived. Remember, a skill not practiced is a seed that remains unsown. Step 4. Teach what you learn. Share your knowledge with those around you, your family, your friends, your community. When you teach, you solidify your own understanding and empower others to walk this path with you. This, my brothers and sisters, is not just learning, it is nation building. For when knowledge is shared, it multiplies, elevating everyone. Finally, understand this. Mastering coding, like building a strong community, is not a race. It is a journey of patience, of dedication, and of love for the craft. Take your time, embrace the process, and celebrate your growth along the way. Each step you take is a contribution not just to your future, but to the legacy we leave for generations to come. If this message has moved you, if it has inspired you to begin or continue your journey, share this wisdom, like this video, and join us again as we unlock more skills that can build lives and lift our communities. Stay blessed, stay inspired, and keep coding for the greater good.